guys, thanks for wanting to take another quick break from Phaser Friday to talk about my favorite topic, recipes. Now, recipes kind of apply to phasers because we do a lot of phaser things with them, but it doesn't 100%, so it like kind of falls in line. In version 2.3, we got some new and improved updates with recipes, so I want to go through each one of those with you guys here with the on PC software so we can learn them together. Now, the first one is super fun. This has to do with selection. When I have a value set to something like this position preset I know is selective here, my selection can be from value. So now it's going to pull all of the fixtures that have that selective preset into the queue. So I don't have to worry about like finding the group or whatever. It's just going to take the selection from the preset itself. Now, as playing with this, I did notice that it does work for global as well. So now every fixture that can reference this global magenta preset, it's all in here. Every fixture is now magenta. So, I mean, if you want every global fixture, I mean, that's a quick way to make them all magenta. It's kind of cool. Or like a super quick way to make everything the same. I did decide as I was playing with it to store a universal preset, but I didn't save it. So let me store this again. Long press store. And we'll make this universal here. And then store. Messed up. Long press store. Stop pressing escape. That's what I keep doing. Set this to universal, store here. Now this is universal. And now literally this will apply to every fixture in the show. So this from value does work with selective, global, and universal, but I feel like in the end it might be most useful with selective, maybe global if it's like a quick way where you want to change everything. But then like every fixture in your show like that has global data in that preset is going to go there. So I don't know how much I'll end up using that. Obviously, stay tuned because I love to tell you how I end up using things. But that's it for now. Another beautiful thing they added to selection is up here in the top right by the X. We now have this data pool option. So right now I only have one data pool in this show, but if I had multiple, I could choose from another data pool right here. And yeah, we like those little features too. They help us a lot. Another thing that is fun, because I noticed like I use this a lot. So when I'm in edit recipe and I've grabbed a group and I've said, okay, go to this preset, and this preset. Now you're like, okay, well, what preset am I affecting when I'm working with MAtricks? It's going to be the last one selected, but I was kind of having to memorize what the last one selected was. Now I don't. So this little like dotted moving line thing is telling me, hey, this is the line that is selected right now. So if I were to go in here to my MAtricks and start playing with wings, I can see it's affecting the one with the dotted line. If I want to grab a different one, obviously when I click and unclick it, it removes the lines. So the lines are in a different order. Maybe that's not what I wanted. You can actually use the select keyword. So I can select this one. And now instead of it disabling and then re-enabling that, which would then shoot those data to the lights and back. We don't necessarily want that in a live situation. It's fine in 3D, but I can just quickly select which preset I want to be targeting when I start playing with my MAtricks. So, quick way to indicate it and a quick way to get it. We love all of that. Oh, there was another thing the release note said. Oh, we can press MA. Oh, I can't do that. Yes, I can. I can turn on my shortcuts and hold down Shift and press MA. And that's another quick way to select them as well. It's a good thing I checked the release notes quickly to see what else it had to say. And then the last thing, which I cannot tell you how excited I am about this one, is the new pot icon. So this green pot icon right now means everything in the everything in the queue is cooked. We love that. If I go ahead and delete this line after I turn my shortcuts off, because I always forget when they're on. If I delete this line and create a line, now I can see they have this red pot icon that's letting me know that it can't be cooked. But now we have a new icon. So let's go ahead and turn on edit recipe. Oh, it's already on. Spots grid, put them open. We're going to store Q1, merge, love that. So now I have data that is cooked and a line that isn't cooked. So that red is always going to mean, hey, there's something in here that's not cooking at all. You need to go remedy that programmer. Go figure it out. But we have another option. So now I have it back to a green icon. Everything in this queue is cooking properly. And I'm going to grab fixture 1 and put it at 50%. And I'm going to store Q1 merge. Now, this is a game changer, right? I have values that are coming from a recipe line and values that are not coming from a recipe line. So I have cooked and uncooked data. And this orange icon is letting me know that, which is something that I've been running into a lot, where I'm just like, okay, I have this queue, but I don't realize that I accidentally stored regular data. I don't really know what to call it yet. Still working on that, but regular data or whatever that's not recipe data in there. Now I have a quick way of seeing what's up. Anyway, that's it. That's what was added to recipes in version 2.3. I cannot wait to see what they add next, and I cannot wait to use these new features out there on a real show. See you guys soon.